Hello and welcome to another episode of the Jimny Diaries, where once again we're going to be fixing something that I broke on the chimney. And the thing we're fixing in question today is this little element here in the front of the grille. A blackbird flew into it at about 70 miles an hour on the M2 a while back, when we were allowed to travel around the country, I should add, because at the moment I am filming this during yet another lockdown, and that was done when you could travel. So, yeah, that's broken, that's what we're going to fix. And this is the replacement element in question. I'll try and turn it so you can see it in the light. Fairly decent quality. It's off of just a parts chimney. It was being parted out, bought it through a man on the internet, and yeah, it's simply held in place by a fir-tree clip about there and a fir-tree clip there. The problem is the original fir-tree clips on this were missing like a spine on either side where they've been removed, so I'm going to try and reuse the fir-tree clips off of the existing grille piece. So there's going to be a time lapse now of me struggling to sort of reach under the bonnet, use some pliers, pinch them together and poke them back through, so I can hopefully have at least two good fir-tree clips to put the new grille piece in place. So let's see how this goes. So like I said, we can see we've got one fir-tree clip here and there's a second one you can just see the tip of here at the back, and what I want to try and do is pinch the two little branches together and poke it back up through the bonnet so I can lift the entire unit out and reuse the fir-tree clips. You can actually just about see the remains of the blackbird that did fly into the front of the car. But anyway, there we go. That's the plan. That's the bits. Cue the time lapse of me struggling, I suppose. So that took far less time than I thought it was going to, and if I hold this up to the camera you can see exactly what the problem was. Bird flew into the side of it, smashed that bit off. It's also cracked all the way down the side here actually. If I hold it like that, maybe it'll focus on the thing instead of my face. Yeah, so you can see it's smashed all the way down the side of the actual piece itself, and all the veins are now loose in there and everything. And while it's not necessarily doesn't impact the function, it just doesn't look nice. But yeah, we got it out, and I managed to get it out with the fir-tree clips perfectly intact. So we'll just try and get those out. They seem to be a different style, so they might pop out a bit better. Let's see. Potentially fast forward this. Got it. Look at that. Okay. If I can get the thing to focus on the crocodile clip. There we are. One fir-tree clip and a lot of swearing. So now hopefully with a bit more ease we can put the original fir-tree clips into the new grille piece, which have to go in like that and turn. Come on. So we'll just get that in, just get that turned. Or is this to go clockwise? two. Fir-tree clips are now in the plastic grill. I've got them in, they are turned, so they're locked in place. They are well secured. Now it's just a case of popping this back into the front of the car. So let's move you. Line that up on there. That one goes up on there. We can see the bits coming through. This is probably quite dark from where you're sitting. Let's just adjust that for you. There we go. So you can see what's happening. And got it lined up. Just gently press it home. And there we go. We've got our fir-tree clips have popped through. That's all in there. We are A-OK.